Just when we got used to folding our phones in half, Samsung decided that wasn't enough. This is it. The mythical creature. The white whale of smartphone tech. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. It has 2 hinges, 3 distinct screen sections, and it turns from a chunky candy bar into a literal 10.5-inch tablet. Today, we are reviewing the most complex, ambitious, and frankly terrifying piece of mobile hardware ever released. Is this the ultimate future of computing, or did Samsung fly too close to the sun? Let's find out. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. When folded, this thing is a brick. It's basically 3 phones stacked on top of each other. You are definitely going to need a belt for these pants. But the mechanics here are mind-blowing. It's a Z Fold. One part folds in to protect the main screen, and the other third folds out to wrap around the back. The hinges feel incredibly stiff, even sturdier than the Z Fold 5. They can hold their position at almost any angle, allowing for some crazy tent modes or laptop modes. It feels like a premium $3,000 piece of engineering, which is good because that's probably what it costs. But you don't buy this for the folded experience. You buy it for this. When fully unfurled, you are looking at a massive 10.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display running at 120 Hz. The question everyone asks, the creases. Yes, there are 2 of them now. And yes, you can see them and you can feel them. Because of the Z Fold nature, one crease valleys in and the other peaks out. You do get used to it, but when light hits it off axis, it looks a bit like a rumpled bedsheet. However, when you are watching Netflix or gaming on a screen this big that you pulled out of your pocket, you honestly stop caring about the creases. It's immersive in a way no other phone is. This is where the TriFold makes its case. One UI has been totally overhauled for 3 distinct screen zones. This right here, this is the dream. I have my script open on panel 1, I'm researching specs on panel 2, and I'm watching a video reference on panel 3. It's not mobile multitasking anymore, it's just actual computing. Samsung also included a pseudo laptop mode where you fold the bottom third flat as a keyboard and use the top 2/3 as your monitor. It's cramped, but in a pinch on an airplane, it's a game changer. Gaming on this is absurd. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon, insert fictitious chip name here, EG8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, and it handles everything. Having a tablet-sized aspect ratio for mobile gaming gives you a massive field of view advantage. Okay, time for a reality check. I love this thing, but it gives me anxiety. First, the durability factor. You have 2 complex mechanical failure points. Also, because of the Z Fold, 1/3 of the plastic screen is always exposed on the back of the phone when folded. If you drop this wrong, it's game over. Second, the battery. Powering 3 screens is brutal. Even with the massive battery cells they jammed in here, if you are using the TriFold mode heavily, you won't make it to dinner time without a charger. And third, the price. We don't have official confirmation, but rumors put this north of $2,500. That is used car territory. The Galaxy Z TriFold is an engineering flex. It's Samsung showing the world, we can build this, so we did. Should you buy it? For 99% of people, absolutely not. It's too heavy, too fragile, and way too expensive. The standard Z Fold is still the deeper, more mature product. But if you are the type of person who needs the bleeding edge, if you want a device that literally stops traffic when you open it on the subway, and if you want a legitimate desktop replacement in your pocket, there is nothing else like this on the planet. It's ridiculous, it's excessive, and I kind of love it. What do you guys think? Is 3 screens the future, or is this just a gimmick gone too far? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this look at the future, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our full comparison against the iPad Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.